Mr. Funny 232 here, and here is my second plane that I have ever made, and I made the SR-71 Blackbird. I'm not going to give you too much of a history about it because I'm not really sure. I just thought it looked like a really cool plane, so I made it. I do know it was first used in the Cold War to spy on the Russians. I think they were building, like, they wanted to see if they had, like, um, if they had, like, nuclear missiles that they're testing out and whatnot. I think, like, airplanes and advanced technology. They were spying on them to see that. It was used in Vietnam War, and it's still used today, and many changes have been made. This is the original SR-71 Blackbird, and if you're wondering why there's no bombs or missiles on it, it's because it was a reconnaissance plane. It's on Black Ops. I don't know how much kill streak it is, but it's basically so you can see all the enemies on your radar, and that's what it really does. It goes up and, like, on the verge of space, and I'm not sure, I might be wrong about this, but I think it was the first jet plane to make a sonic boom. I'm not sure about my history. My lighting is all weird on my webcam, so if you're wondering why my hand kind of looks weird and really pale, I'm not sure. I made it pale. I made it brighter so you could see it's not just a black blob, so it doesn't all blend into each other. So anyway, you got the cockpit right here, and then you got this antenna thing on the front. I just saw that there. I'm not really sure what it's used for, if it's used to refuel other planes or get refueled in the air, or I'm not really sure what it's for. But anyway, you got the two jet turbine thingies. They don't spin in the front, but the back ones spin, and that's what they look like. And these things adjust. I don't have the red square thingy, that red line that's a square that goes on this, like the real one does, with the line down the middle and the square. I don't have that because I added it on there, but I just thought it didn't look right for this particular plane. And I made the landing gear. It folds down. Some of you will notice it's the same landing gear idea as my F-14 Tomcat, and this one wheel is stubborn. The hinge is very tight and doesn't land. It doesn't close very well. And on the back here, this is where the parachute would come down, because this plane actually went so fast, and on the average runway, it couldn't slow down fast enough from the speeds it was going. And this was the highest airplane in the world in the early 60s, late 50s. It could go almost into space, and that was a big deal. I also made this little stand for it to get in it. It's nothing special. It's just this chain piece, the chain square piece, like the real one. And it's a little bit higher, but when you put down the landing gear, it is just about level with the cockpit, and that is what they would use to load up. It looks a lot higher from that angle, but if you put it over here, you can see it's level with it. So, speaking of my F-14 Tomcat, this is a sneak peek for it. If you like it, click on the video now. Click on the plane now, and it will bring you to my video of this. So, if you want to see this, click it. This I'm all done with. I told you everything about that you need to know. so. Click on it. Mr. Funny 2032 is out. Comment, rate, and subscribe.